An apple is a round fruit that typically has thin skin ranging in color from green to red to yellow. It is known for its crisp texture and sweet or tart flavor, depending on the variety. Apples are widely cultivated and consumed around the world, and they are often eaten raw but can also be used in cooking, baking, and making beverages like cider. They are nutritious, containing dietary fiber, vitamins such as vitamin C, and various antioxidants. Some popular varieties of apples include Granny Smith, Gala, Fuji, Red Delicious, and Honeycrisp.